Yes, obviously artificial intelligence is a very promising technology, but still there are many uncertainties remaining in the way how to prove it, how to demonstrate its performances. I'm Emmanuel Arbaretier, innovation leader of Airbus Protect, which is a 100% subsidiary of Airbus Group, dedicated in safety, cybersecurity, and sustainability studies. Our mission is to support Airbus Group in the certification as airworthiness demonstration of aeronautics systems, but we work also in other domains such as railway, automotive, and industry energy. Of course, we are involved in many aeronautics projects concerning aircraft, maintenance systems, and also air traffic management. But also we support our business to support engineers in the design, development, and validation of complex systems from the point of view of safety, cybersecurity, and sustainability. Currently, artificial intelligence technology is mature enough to have transformed high capability of data capturing and processing into providing new services and new chains of services. For example, complex system management, autopiloting of mobile systems, and also decision making in open environment with infinite universe of use cases and scenarios. And far beyond, it has opened new fields of mathematical frameworks such as topological data analysis, abstract interpretation, or also adversarial attack to go deeper into the understanding of behavior of artificial intelligence modules. Moreover, of course, we have to distinguish between validation of isolated artificial intelligence modules and of big and complex systems integrating these modules. These are two specific challenges we have to face. Frankly, in absolute, the answer is no. A sufficient level of assurance in safety is not yet reached. And if we want to demonstrate properties, we have to reduce the postulates, the assumptions of the operational domain, like for an autonomous bus or shuttle, reducing the speed and also having limited trajectories. And also, if we are not capable of reducing these assumptions, we can associate very hybrid different methods, like, of course, virtual simulation, which remains in the center of demonstration of the performances, but also audit of the process, audit of the quality process and development process of the artificial intelligence modules, and also test campaigns in controlled environments or in real environment. So the satisfactory level of safety assurance is not yet reached. However, there is a continuous process of improvement of the methodologies, and many research fields and projects improve the way how to produce metrics, relevant metrics, to quantify, to characterize the performances of AI, such as resilience, robustness, steadiness, explainability, interpretability. So I remain optimistic in the future in the way to control and to prove the performances of AI-based software and applications.